Welcome to the Do and Do Little. We're a mother and daughter duo. That's Cray and that's me. Today we're doing a wig from Dolago. It's a deep wave texture, full lace. It says 10-inch, but it's actually 12. This is the instrument that it came with: wig cap, elastic band, beat up black box. Here's the wig straight out the box. Look at that deep wave. Nice curl. Now I'm showing you the cap construction. There are 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, and 1 in the nape, with an elastic straps. I'm using Quick Blue bleach and 50 volume developer. I only let the developer and bleach sit on the wig shortly. Now it's outside drying.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, we're now ready to see the wig and install it. Cray is showing you that pretty wig. Came out pretty good. I plucked it and cut off the extra lace before installing. She's showing you the combs. Oh, I also tinted the lace. Kind of made a mistake there. I'm using Got To Be glue for the adhesive. Doing very thin layers. I did 2 layers. And in between the layers, I let it dry. The Got To Be glue is actually gel. The yellow tube is water resistant. Making sure those layers are thin. Letting it stay there till it gets tacky. Using the bedhead hairspray to assist in the adhesive process. Spray that right on top of the Got To Be gel. Very thin layer. Got a little cold for her.
One eternity later.
Sprayed a little bit near her eye. Now it's time to put on this wig. I know you're noticing my mistake. I accidentally tinted it with the wrong color spray in the hairline. Trying to get that lace to lay. I actually got it to melt if it was the right color. God. Using the bedhead spray on top for extra hold. She's wearing this all week for work. I used the Ebon Tint spray, but I used the cool deep brown, which I wasn't supposed to use the cool. I was supposed to use the warm. But I had only put that color on the hairline. Tying it down to dry. I am using a wig grip to help band that down. Taking the wig grip off. Cutting the papers. Do you like my new scissors? They're by Conair. Cutting off the paper strips. Trying to use the residue from her foundation to darken up that hairline. It helped a little. Combing out the hair, wetting it. That's just water and conditioner. I use a lot of conditioner because I love the smell of it. Combing it through the hair to help those curls pop. I had used the hot comb prior to installing to give that lift in the front and smooth texture. I really plucked that hair to no end. But that tint, Now, doesn't this look longer than 10 inches? I swear it's a 12 or 14. Look at them beautiful waves and curls. Gotta put on some earrings to give you that just dressed look. Aren't those earrings cute? They're acrylic and gold together. They're little circles. Reminds me of Cardi B's hair. The final results. There we go. See, it helped, the foundation helped a little, but later on, not in the video, I did darken the lace in the front. I used the Ebon Tint spray on top. It worked perfectly. Hope you liked. If you did, please comment. If you didn't, please comment.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. All right, love you back. Bye.